unboxing. I have been gifted another bag from a company called Babalabags. I did a video on it recently. You can look at that one. I'll link it up the top there for you. They've sent it to me, another bag to review. So I thought I'd do an unboxing today. So I can't wait to see what it's like. So there's it all wrapped up and parceled up. So let's just crack on with it and see what we've got. I will put a link in the description how much it is and where you can get it from. Okay, so let's just do the unboxing right now and see how padded it up, how hard it is, how well packaged it is. Ooh. It's very hot here in Sydney. We just had a thunderstorm and it's just so hot. Okay, so there we go. Let's have a little look then. Very excited about this one. There's the unboxing. And it's, I think it's magnetic clasp. Here we go. Okay. There we go. Let's have a look and see what we have here. Ooh. It's got a nice dust bag. Comes with your own bow, so if you want to gift it for somebody. The box is very sturdy, I've got to say. That's very sturdy. And here it is. It does have all the little leaflets with it, you know, the little card that came with it. And inside of that is your little card there and little receipt thing. Yeah, just a little receipt thing like that. So yeah, so if you want to gift it, that is beautifully wrapped up there. With, like I said, with the magnetic clasp, pretty damn good. Okay, I can't wait to see what this is like. So yeah, all in plastic as well. So that's extra protection. And if I'm sweating, it's just so hot in this room. So excuse my sweat. Here we go. All right. Oh boy, oh boy, this is beautiful. Look at this. Okay, here we go. That is absolutely beautiful. This smells like leather. That is so nice. How about that then? Wow. This is gorgeous. I'm just going to put my glasses on and have a look. I'll take all the little stickers off, the little rubber things. I'm just going to show you how that goes across. A little zipper there. Oh, the lining! Look at the lining in that. This is top notch. This is gorgeous. It's all got protection there. Pinch those there to unclasp it, which has just done that there. Just going to show you close up of the hardware. Sorry, it's not focusing very well. That is so lovely. Wow. Oh, it's got extra. Oh, it's got the straps with it as well. We're going to have to do all this in stages, I think. There's the straps, well protected with bubble wrap. I'll tell you what, the lining on this is lovely. Look at that. There is plenty of room in there for me to have a play. Wow. All right, so yes, let's have a look at the inside. It really smells really, really good quality. Oh, I don't know how to undo this bit here. Like I said, in the description, I will let you know where I got it. Well, it's from Babalabags, and like I said, I've already done a video on one of their bag reviews before. Very happy with it. So they kindly sent me another one and said, would I like to review one? So I chose this one. And I've taken the handles, I've taken all the paper off, even on the sides. It was so well packed I couldn't undo it properly. But let me just show you this. I'll pop the handle on and then we can see the whole presentation. Comes with a little booklet as well. So that's all in plastic too. I'll show you that one. just all the little bits you would find with, you know, your little zipper strap, well wrapped up with plastic on the ends. Again, we might have to stop the video just to unravel it. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. It makes a change from the other colours that are out there of this bag. So yes, it's nice because it's different too. Gosh, they are so, honestly, they're so wrapped up so well, so protected. There is the strap on it. I've got the whole thing put together now, so I'm going to show you in great detail. So let me do a close-up of the hardware. You go right in there so you can see it, and then the back looks like this. I am very impressed with this bag. There's the side of it. There is so much room in here. I'll just expand it out and you can see how much room you've got. So you've got the pocket at the back there. You've got the middle bit there, which I can fit my wallet in easy. Keys, glasses, phone, everything. Let me just show you the label. It looks so impressive. Let me show you the label. Let's hold it back a little bit. I don't want to bend it back too much, but I'm just going to show you the quality on this is exceptional. It really is. I shall enjoy using this bag. Like I said, it's a magnetic clip there. It's very classy. It's a very classy bag. Look at that. Let me just hold it up for you and show you. That is really nice. Very happy with that one. I'll stand up and I'll show you how it fits on my body. I'm 5'3", and I'll just show you how it hangs on my body. Okay, so crossbody like that there, and you can also use the handle. So not a bad size bag for you, but it is so roomy. You really can fit a lot of stuff in this bag. Just show you all around again because I'm so impressed with it. Like I said, doesn't say leather on it, but it smells like leather anyway. And then again the back there. It did have a little bit of plastic on the hardware at the front, so I'll just show you now. I've taken that off. Yeah. And it's one of those types of bags that you can stand up on the table, and it's, you know, it doesn't have feet on the bottom, but you can just stand it upright. I do have another bag that is curved at the bottom and you can't really stand it up, but this is nice and boxy. This is a classic style and it's a very classic looking bag. So thank you Babalabags for letting me review one of your lovely bags, and let's hope some of my subscribers or new viewers go over to my channel and check out your, oh, they're on the channel, check out the website and see if they find yourself a nice bargain. Beautiful bag. So yeah, like I said, everything's functionable. There's plenty of room at the back there as well. And loving it, loving it. Okay, all right. Well, thanks for watching my channel. I'm sorry I'm so hot because it's such a hot day. I had a massive thunderstorm just now. But I wanted to do the review because I was very excited about it. So yeah, there you go. All right, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.